All right, onward we go. Stock market is closed Wednesday, January 27th. Looking at some more stocks. As I'm still looking here, Jan exploded. That was up 167% today. There's so many explosions of stocks. It's hard to even fathom. I never see my list. My gainers list is down like halfway, at least 40%. So it's pretty incredible the moves. All right, FTK. Let's look at this. Flowtech, oil and gas. 123 million market cap, income minus 155 million, sales 60 million, float 66 million. No news recently on this. It's based in Houston, Texas. Chemistry and services to oil and gas industries, United States, internationally. Designs, develops, manufactures, packs, markets, distributes, delivers uh, conventional chemistries for the use of oil and gas welling drilling. Let's take a look at this stuff. It is formed right here, 2005. Went all the way up to 55. 2007, 2008, it crashed down. 2009, and it bounced for about 5 years, all the way up to 30 plus. Now we're back again. So this looks like you could put this in a big triangle category. See this? Look at the high there, descending triangle, the low, hold. See that low on about 90 cents? Yeah, so I think we're getting another pop up on this. Get the weekly. I don't see no splits. The daily here, you have a big gap between the 650 level all the way down the 5. Then this thing crashed the 1. Try the bounce up to 4. Then we bounce down to the low of 75. Then we bounce up to 3. It's been falling back since 3. So if 175 don't hold, you just keep going down here. Look at each quarter, 150, 125. You don't know where it's going to bounce. But if this does bounce, this 3 levels huge. See that 3 level? If we bounce up to 3, it's very important. Then we can get back up to 354. So we'll see here. See it's rolling down, rolling down. You have almost a double bottom. We'll see what it does here. It's caught in between. It looks like we could break up with news on that. So ORMP, this is biotechnology, 153 million market cap, income minus 14 million, sales 2.7 million, float 23 million. Phase 3 oral insulin study, that was January 21st. They had that. Issues a letter of shareholders. It's founded 2002, based in New York. And that issue, let me see the shareholders. I didn't read into it, but stock was down a little bit today. Gauges of research development, pharmaceutical solutions, treatment of diabetes, orally ingested capsules, pills, polypeptides. There's a phase 2. There's a phase 1 going on. So let's see the monthly. We have right here 2013. This one all the way up to 30. Came back, and it's been in this line. See this channel 10 to 5. Then it went even lower here. So you pretty much see the channel on this one. If you draw your line all the way back here, this 10 line. And what's the low on here? This low is about 3. See this back and forth. This is the weekly. Big channel here. Drop down. We're moving up now. So in the daily here, a big drop. Get this right on the 3 line. Moved up to 6. Came back under this line a few times, like 250. Now here we are now. This big bounce December. Big sideways move over 450. See that ascending triangle? Then we exploded. Big move up. 5 all the way to 750 plus. Now we backed off. Like I said before, when these move exploding up, you could come back to this 555 level. You could bounce here, maybe before that. You don't know. On the higher level here, you have 8, or the 7 level, back to 8 and 10. That's been a wall um, for going back years. So this is another one extended. We'll see if he comes down like this, a bounce, finds a lower base, and then we can move back up. We'll see how that plays out. PRVB. Let's check PRVB out. Yeah, healthcare biotechnology, 803 million market cap, income minus 76 million, float 48 million. Two biotech stocks with major potential catalyst 2021. That's Motley Fool. Excuse me, that was today. Let's see. Incorporated 2016, Oldwick, New Jersey. Biopharmaceutical development, commercialization, therapeutics, solutions, prevent immune mediated diseases. It's got an 031 candidate, 6527, 3279, Crohn's disease, PR B015, phase 2, PR 101, PRV 101. It's got a lot of stuff going on here. PRV 015 and IL 15. So, they have more than one drug. It's always good. You can see here back in 2018, this is back and forth, went to 2, bounce hard to 22 plus. And then you can see a little bit of choppiness. I can take this out. These are old moves here. This was the trend line. See that I had this and then bounced up. It's a falling wedge pattern. Take that out. You don't really need that. And your line here is simple. It's a 2 line here. Touch that, slightly below. Get on the 2 line. Get on there. All right, that's the 2 line. We have a higher line right now. It looks like this 18 is a wall of resistance. So we had a move up in June of 2019, bounced up again, came back to the 6 line, bounced up again. So you see here the lows getting higher. They'll see at 2, 6, came back, 8. Each time we're getting higher. So we're in a downtrend here a little bit. 13 is going to fall to 12. Watch the 12 or 10 level. I wanted to see go further back. Doesn't mean the move's over here. We're testing this 18 level. So pull back now. See it, stochastics going down. You wait probably for a little bit more to see if it goes down for a bounce. So that's where it's at right now. Also drawing a trend line all the way. See if we get this bottom here. Maybe from that all the way. See that? And they touched that move in March. So we could come down a little more. You can see that. All right, so that's on that play. Last one, RMTI. Drug manufacturers, Rockwell Medical, 116 million market cap, income minus 29 million, sales 62 million, 81 million float. Recent news. Founded in 1994, Wixom, Michigan. Operates biopharmaceutical company that targets end-stage renal disease, chronic kidney disease therapies, iron deficiencies. All right, let's take a look at this. On the monthly here, see this going way back to 1998. This was at like the 5 level, bounced the 1. You see the rolling move up. It fell 2009 to crash. The low's been getting higher ever since 2016, but we went in a down mode. Look at this. It's a falling wedge now. As we go to the weekly, you can see us. Look at this move down. This thing was 17 plus. And let's see where we're at now on this chart. Big wedge down. Look at this big, big wedge. So, where are we going from here? You can see this 150 level is important. gapped up. You see that in September, then came back down. The low here is about 90 cents. See that? The move here in November, 90 cents, went a little bit lower, but came back, tested January. Now, tested this 150, but it didn't break. We're pulling back. We're going to bounce up from 120 and test that again. It's possible. I've seen that. You know, if that doesn't hold, then it could probably take anything back here to $1.90. It might go back to its channel. It's not ready to go up. Because you had one move, second move. This might not be the move. It's hard to say, but watch for that. If we do break 150, you know, 175, 2 plus, but it's in a channel right now. It's gotta hold that marked right there. All right, so that's it. Subscribe to Mike Heyman Trades on YouTube. Hit the like button, smash the like button, make comment, ask questions. It's always good. TradeIdeas.com referral. Mike Frank 007 Twitter, TikTok Mike Frank III, Instagram Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits is a blog site on stocks. Mike Heyman Trades. Check it out. I'm gonna load this up, and we're out for now. Peace.